Alright, we're working on another special recipe. This is a gal on the internet. Alright, come on, phone. Quit screwing around. I'm having so much trouble with this. Cultured food for lice recipe. Jicama if you're Jicama. There's the... And this is a Mexican potato, actually. It's a Mexican potato called Jicama, Jicama, and it's a Pre-Biotic for Pro-Biotics. And that is basically the potato cubed up and zest of one orange, half an orange, half an orange. Mom's got all the necessary little gadgets to make everything nice and quick. And so that is like powerhouse for your stomach. And what is it? Besides the potatoes and the orange, we have
orange rind.
Orange rind plus the juice of the orange.
Juice of the orange.
Plus our Kefir Whey, which is the separation from the milk.
Milk Whey.
And it is the starter for the start of the ferment.
And water.
And water and salt. Himalayan sea salt. And that is going to be like lovely for your gut. It's all about your gut, folks. Can't be healthy unless your gut's working right. I promise.
And our guts.
So, we've been wanting to make that recipe, but this is part of our kefir milk project, and we did an experiment after we're making our milk, and now we just started our third quart. We got enough kefir grains from a lady in Robbinsville, a wonderful gal, and we just got enough to where we can split. So we added our third milk here because we want to start making some cheese and sour cream.
So you want to see some
and we made some sour cream the other night. It was freaking totally awesome. Y'all have to check my Facebook page and YouTube channel for that. And that was the whey left over from the separation that we did. And there is our sour cream. And let me tell you what, we did a taste test. You're gonna have to see the taste test where me and Mom taste test. You know, we're no bullshitters. We're not selling nothing. So check that video out too. And that was going to be cheese, but we it made it to sour cream stage, and it's like, don't stop. We'll make cheese later.
We'll make cheese later.
That was, we did a taste test of our sour cream, kefir sour cream, versus the sour cream that we had in the refrigerator, and it was like, man, weird. And that is our hummus, and we've got what, 2 different kind of hummuses now?
Yeah, this is the black bean.
Black bean, but don't we have some pinto bean? Or do we not make that?
Oh yeah, we made pinto bean.
We made black bean because that's my favorite, and then Mom made all that, plus she did the cauliflower and carrots. And then we also did sweet potato. Oh, it was sweet potato with pinto beans. Yeah, that's right. Okay. And the pinto beans came from Kay over in Blairsville. So anyway, just want to give y'all a project update, but
oh, here it is.
And that stuff. Oh, we got a refrigerator full of good stuff. You want to look in there? We just got all kinds of goodness in there.
This is a sweet potato.
Sweet potato hummus
with pinto beans.
Made from sweet potatoes and pinto beans.
Look at there. Talk about some good stuff.
Fresh juiced carrots, or fresh juiced carrot juice.
And then this.
And then more hummus. We got a regular
This is sauerkraut with blueberries and something else. Cotton. This was purchased, and see it. Well, it's not even
store-bought,
used.
$2. We don't even drink it. And back there is our fruit-flavored kefir waters, and that's some more kefir water in that half-gallon jug. And there's our kefir milk back there. We got a gallon in. there's our milk that we get from Clearmont, Georgia, which is pasteurized but not homogenized. Good stuff, as good as the law will allow you to buy. So, and we get it from the state of Georgia because North Carolina is more restrictive than Georgia as far as the minimum processing the milk has to go through. Alright, I want to give y'all an update.
Did you show them our watermelon?
Watermelon rind, it's been in a couple other videos, but y'all ever ate watermelon rind? Well, us neither, but there's a bunch of it right there. Pickled watermelon rinds. Well, fermented. When I say, if I ever say pickled, it's not pickled, it's fermented. Our honey garlic. Y'all want to see something weird? You know how thick garlic, you know how thick honey is? Watch what happens when you put it in with garlic. That was my honey. And you know it's thick. And all that is honey and garlic. And anyway, I'd have a lot more than that, but I hate peeling this shit. And I've attempted twice to buy it from Walmart pre-peeled. Alright, so now we're going to take your YouTube new ideas and we're going to make it. We're going to do it. So I'm going to get garlic one way or the other.
This is awesome.
Yeah, that's cauliflower and carrots.
And ooh, now you take
Fermented.
a piece of lettuce, romaine lettuce, and you put some hummus on it, and then you put avocado. Then you put carrots with cauliflower, and then you put our sprouts on top. And you got a meal for a king. I mean, that's an appetizer that'll make your eyes water.
Another powerhouse for your gut, too. Not quite a powerhouse, but it's good stuff. Alright, and there we got her. I was wondering how many pounds this was. We went through 4 pounds. That's 8 pounds. I said it was 10. We went through 4 pounds pretty quick making all this kombucha and water. How much is that? Come on, can't cooperate.
Okay.
I don't know what the frick is wrong with my camera. Let's see. 6 pounds. Or is that 8? Crap. 6 pounds. So that ought to last us a little while. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys later.